Part 2, conditional statement. Number 1 is leap year checker. This program checks if a given year is a leap year using modulo operation. It applies the leap year rules, divisible by 4 but not by 100, or divisible by 400. Depending on the result, it prints either leap year or not a leap year. Number 2 is triangle typer identifier. The code first check if the three sides satisfy the triangle inequality rule, meaning they can form a valid triangle. If valid, all the equal sides equilateral. Two equal sides is isosceles. All different sides is scalene. If invalid, it prints the triangle cannot exist. Number 3, number comparison game. This program needs three numbers and determines the largest among them using the max function. It then check if the largest number is even or odd by using the modulo operator.